Hey y'all, it's Saturday and it's the calm before the storm. Just going back to get some last minute things from the store to see what they got left. We went to the store on Thursday night after work and there was no water left. Only the really huge jugs of water was left. There was not even any bottles. I couldn't even get any saltine crackers. There's just so many things that was out. So we're going out today. Like I said, it's supposed to start hitting in just a few hours here and see what we can find. We're at the food line. We're gonna see what we can find. Hey guys, don't come here. There's no Jimmy Dean sausage left. Maybe I get some soup, y'all. Bread is about empty. Most of the water is gone. All they got left is this Dasani water down here. So that's what we'll be getting, Dasani water. Look at that. All they got is that. Don't look like there's many eggs in there either. Not much cheese left in there either. This shopping is not going so great. There's a lot of things that they're out of that I wanted to get, but I was able to get a few things the other night. We ain't gonna starve to death. We're gonna make it work. See, they got the Valentine's stuff out already. Plenty of that, because ain't nobody buying that now. So right now we're over at the deli getting some deli meat. So all else fails, we'll be able to make some sandwiches later. So we got what we're gonna get from Food Line. We did end up getting some bread, and we got some bacon and some soup, and we did get that Dasani water and just a few other junky things. Somebody said to get frozen pizzas for the kids. We ain't got no little kids. We got some pizzas anyway, but if the power goes out, I don't know how we're gonna cook them. But anyway, we got some. so last stop on this trip is going to be some Domino's Pizza. Getting some pizza right now. So we have something to eat right now because I've been out all morning and never cooked nothing. So we're going to get some Domino's. We're going to have that for now. And then we're probably not going to eat it all. It could be warmed up for later. And so I'll start putting some of these groceries away when we get in the house. Hey y'all, I'm back home. Just kind of been watching the weather. It is getting really windy out here, and it seems like it's getting colder. I don't see any signs of any snow or anything like that. I don't even see any rain, so I don't know if nothing's happening. I just want everybody to stay safe, and hopefully everybody got what they needed in the house in case things do get bad. But everyone, please stay safe. Stay off the roads, please, if you don't have to go. You just call out of work. If things start looking like they start getting bad, you just call out of work, and that's it. But everybody stay safe, okay? Bye.